friends, my name is Vidyut. I am going to show you an experiment of volcano eruption. The aim of this experiment is the speed and real effect of volcano. Now I am going to show you the raw materials which we have to take for this experiment. First, in a plate, food color, vinegar, baking soda and spoon. Now I am going to start the experiment. First, we will add this food color in volcano. After that, I will pour some baking soda in this volcano. So the last part, I will pour some vinegar in this. How the carbon dioxide gas is released. So the conclusion of this experiment is neutralization. When we add acid and base, vinegar and baking soda, we get salt and water, and it releases carbon dioxide gas. So this was my experiment. Thank you.